In this video, we will show you how to update your existing data file with the new GST tax codes. This process only needs to be done if you upgrade your data file from a lower version to version 30 and above. ABSS Accounting and Premier version 30 comply with the 8% GST rate, which includes the newly added tax codes for low-value goods. Please pause this video and ensure your data file has been upgraded and saved at your preferred location before proceeding with the next step. Once ready, please open your sample data file. Go to the list and click on Tax Codes to view the new GST tax codes. We recommend you to amend the existing tax codes with the number 8 to avoid overriding tax codes in your current data file. You will only need to amend the tax codes that you will see. In this video, we will amend SR, TX, and BL tax codes with the number 8 as shown. To export the tax codes, go to File, select Export Data, Tax Code List, and click on Non-Consi-Deleted Code. Under Export File Format, use Tab Delimited. First record is the header record. Click Continue. Click Match All. Ensure all fields are already populated in the Export under column and click Export. After that, save the data in the preferred location and name it. To import the data, you will need to open your existing data file that has been upgraded to the 8% GST compliant version. Go to File, click Import Data, select Tax Code List, and click on Non-Consi-Deleted Tax Code. Under Import File Format, use Tab Delimited. First record is the header record. Take note that duplicate records will be rejected. Click Continue. Select the text that you have exported earlier and double-click it. Click Match All and make sure the Fields column tallies with the matching Import Field column. When done, click Import. You will then see the total data that was successfully imported or skipped. To check the tax codes, go to List, click on Tax Code. If done correctly, the newly imported tax code will be reflected. Thank you for watching this video.